I'm sitting here on the outskirts of here. I wonder if I should go and eat and have dinner before the sunset. I'm really hungry. It's already 5 p.m. The smell of these flowers, oh my gosh. Is coming. It's gonna bring like thousands of people to watch the sunset. Really annoying. Stay in the boat. I'm surprised. The prices here are not bad at all. I might come later. I don't know. I went for a moussaka. It's a typical dish with aubergine and bechamel and meat as well. Okay, it's after dinner. I'm rushing to the Sunset Boulevard, this is how to call it. So it's time for me to go back and take the bus back to Fira, which is where I'm staying. Here is amazing, it's really beautiful, it's quite magical to be honest. I really like here, Oya? How do you say? Because I heard people saying Oya, people saying here. I say here because someone from here called the ear, so I think it's here. Anyways, it is beautiful, magical, and there are lots of really interesting shops as well, but a huge differentiation between people that decide to go for a luxury holiday and, you know, spending so much money, I guess, for prime locations. Some of the people are actually enjoying the sunset from a private swimming pool just in front of the, you know, their room in the hotel. That's probably super expensive, so you don't need to do that if you don't want to, but yeah, there is a quite interesting differentiation in that is very apparent, you know, here in here, but it's very beautiful. I still recommend staying in Fira though, because the bus station is close to, the main bus station is close to Fira. It's less crowded and cheaper. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and next is going to be a vlog on the beaches in Santorini, which I'm going to actually visit tomorrow and the day after. I'm probably gonna go do just one video on them. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and subscribe if you haven't yet, like it because that helps a lot, and thanks for being here. Bye.